Nature gives every time and season a beauty of its own.
Tanaved sir, let me ask you, what are your thoughts on this quote?
I just said, Mother Nature is giving us all the beauty during this lockdown, and we could see all those things which is coming back again from the nature, like birds chirping out, the beauty of the sky. So all this is coming back. So yes, it is giving us the beauty of its own now.
I would like to ask Priya ma'am what are her views on this presentation.
Uh, Topic definitely we all are living right now, so well done on that. Um, Amazing way of presenting yourself. I really like the way you girls all went Indian. Having said that, the presentation I think so could have been done better. Uh, this is a subject that yes, we all are supposed to dump uh, all of these things in the activity center or the garbage bin. I was kind of expecting a little more than that, but overall it was a decent presentation. It was a good performance as well. So yeah, I'm happy you guys can do a lot better though. I know that for a fact. Yeah.
Thank you ma'am for sharing your views.
Now I would like to ask Pradeep sir, what are his thoughts on this presentation?
Thank you, Sarita. Just a question. Can you once again take me through that slide where you were talking about the ozone layer? So, did you guys say, because of this lockdown, did you mention that the ozone layer, something has improved? Something? Can you repeat that part, please?
Sure, sir. Actually, ozone hole is getting filled up by itself in some portion that is in the zone of Antarctica.
Is this
But it is
because of lockdown or less?
no. It is lockdown is one of the reasons. Major reason is the change in the current of change in wind currents. Actually, lockdown is one of the reasons that human activities have stopped and the ozone is still more getting filled. But lockdown is not the only reason. There are various other environmental factors which have taken place.
Okay. So actually, that news even I followed up when it came up on Times of India, and it said that lockdown has got no connection to that.
Correct.
Yeah. So when you're saying one of the reason, then that means it's not completely correct information.
Sir, actually, in one or two newspapers, they declared that lockdown is one of the reasons. But NASA and Times of India, as you said, have said lockdown has got no connection with this. It is very contradictory. Many news have come up, but then it is very contradictory for us to decide.
Okay. Because the news that I followed doesn't say that.
Yeah. I know that.
So if I can say something on this topic, because I have also been following that news, and it's more or less like I don't know if dominoes effect would actually fit in as an example, but because we humans, the numbers of cars, the numbers of factories, the number of industrial waste basically generating, which has reduced about over 50% around the globe. Only 50% or below 50% of it is working. Yes, it is one of the minute reasons, and that has also resulted in a lot of changes in weather, a lot of environmental changes, which has caused something like this. But again, it's not only the reason. At the same time, I am with them that it is one of the reasons, for filling up, or at least the start has happened. It started filling up. That's one thing, instead of just,
Okay. So my experience says that if we have a slightest element of doubt on any kind of information, it should not be considered in the presentation. So that's the reason I was speaking from that point of view, that if you're not sure or if you're doubtful, like Sakshi mentioned that NASA has said, and if it is coming from NASA, it is to be believed that it is not true, right? Rather than considering that as a something which is doubtful. Yeah. Second thing, I found that the topic that you guys have done was too general. I mean, see, most of the information that you've shared was already known because we are in the lockdown and we are going through it. So maybe you could have come up with some more research and some more interesting facts about the lockdown, which has given the effect. I did like the solution though, but again, the topic was too general that I found. The thing that I liked here was the coordination between all of you and the way you guys were speaking. I found it to a certain extent, it was to a very great extent, it was flawless. Yeah. So that was a good part, but research is something which I found missing in this presentation. Yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I would like to ask Sonu sir, what are his views on this presentation?
Thank you, Shruti. Firstly, I want to congratulate them. And one thing which Priya said when the presentation was started, the dress up. They have been very well dressed and they have presented the presentation very well. Regarding the topic, as Pradeep said, it was a very generic topic. And when we take, it's an interesting topic and it is very relevant at this point of time, right? But it is generic. Generic means people are knowing about it. So we would have, or you would have tried talking about, okay, this is what has happened, right? And would be done after the lockdown is over. So if you would have come up with those kind of pointers wherein the people should be able to understand what or how this healing process of the environment, we can still maintain it after the lockdown is over, then it would have been more relevant for the masses to understand it, right? Because what you are talking, as Pradeep rightly said, most of the people are thinking on this, most of the people are knowing about it, right? But still, there is a doubt, there is a big doubt, that once this lockdown is over, we are gonna be back on that same point, right? Wherein the commercial activity and other things are gonna start. So if you would have tried and put in those pointers, these are the things which we should consider, then it would have been a better, more relevant presentation, I would say. Rest, otherwise, you guys has been, you have presented it well. Your flow was good, and the point, the topic which you have taken, this was a relevant topic for today, right? So thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to ask Kamal sir his thoughts on today's presentation.
Okay, so from my side, even I would agree with that point. Uh, no doubt, the presentation was good. Okay, the flow was good. When it came to the topic, even I was a bit disappointed, because either you have to do different things or you have to do same thing differently. And that's where, it was missed out. That fine, when it started, okay, when it started, okay, fine, I was expecting that, fine, now they are talking about, which is already everywhere, everyone is aware of all that, because every Facebook post is talking about that, every WhatsApp post is about that. Now the thing has been, I was expecting that from starting from there, you would take it to a different level. That didn't you like all these things? If you really liked all these things, how to continue with these things? As Sonu also said the same thing. How to continue ahead with these things? How we can ensure that our environment is saved? If that message would have come, trust me, the first research would have been more fruitful. But here it came like, okay, fine, we are just putting an essay on what is already known to you. So that way, I think it could have been done in a much, much better way when it came to the research part of it. That's it from my side.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all the matters for your wishful thoughts.
Now, I would love to ask Pranavesh, sir, what are his views on this presentation? So you're on mute.
Perks of getting dressed. वो कहते हैं ना कि हम लोग प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए जब जाते हैं, हम लोग ट्रेनिंग्स के लिए जब जाते हैं, we wear blazers and we wear ties and we wear falana dimgana what not. But when we stand for delivery, that's what we are counted. So it is nothing about attire is one aspect. Attire is one aspect. Attire is absolutely good. But I feel sometimes that you actually have raised the bar here. So basically, you started off the first presentation directly till here. You set an expectation, boss, you can do wonders. Okay. The second presentation you kicked off. You elevated the bar again to a second level. Then it is like सलमान खान की पहली मूवी हिट तो सब सलमान खान की मूवी दूसरी मूवी के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं. दूसरी मूवी डबल हिट, वाह वेरी गुड. अब तीसरी मूवी के लिए सब पिक्चर के एडवांस बुकिंग में शुरू हो गए. तीसरी मूवी भी somehow it landed up यहाँ से थोड़ा ऊपर. But fourth and fifth movie it is like कल से बस no यार. Somebody can mute off. Yeah. So understand now the downfall started off from the fourth and the fifth genre. Understand? So probably you only set your expectation bar and then you only make it a downfall. It's absolutely not good. So understand, guys. First of all, one word: overconfidence. Overconfidence kills sometimes and kills badly. So do not be overconfident at any point in time. Never be overconfident. Okay? I'm not saying that you are overconfident, but yes, even 1% of overconfidence might kill the entire delivery mode. Bit research on the presentation or bit of क्या बोलते हैं उसको, आपका लास्ट प्रेजेंटेशन जब संडे को हो गया था, उसके बाद you could have sat down when you got one day to extend the give us the changes in the presentation. You could have actually made it worthwhile. Even one day of brainstorming, you could have come up with post-lockdown. What do you say? Brainstorming in what could a person do in post-lockdown? So, bit elements of social distancing, bit elements of what you can do for environment. It is for the environment, by the environment, and to the environment, or to the people, for the people, by the people. बोलते ना, वैसा वाला हिसाब था. अगर वो कर लेते ना, I am sure you would have. Sorry, Priya, to interrupt. I am saying you, अगर वो चीज हो जाता, कहीं ना कहीं वो एलिमेंट अगर पोस्ट लॉकडाउन इफेक्ट में आप अगर कहीं ना कहीं वो चामा दे देते ना, this would have been amazing.
Even now, people like us, for example, even you, even students, a lot of them are evolving. So, there are ways to basically evolve during this pandemic time, and there are new apps coming up. There are new, methods or therapies coming up, sessions, online training, those kind of things would have also added another dimension to your generalized presentation per se, That's one thing.
ये ऐसा लगा ना वनीला है आज. मतलब तुम लोग ने पहले मेरे को स्ट्रॉबेरी, मैंगो, कीवी सब खिला दिया. आज आके बोलते हो सर ये ले लो वनीला करके. टेस्ट ही नहीं है ना, बिकॉज मेरा टेस्ट बड्स तो सीजनल फ्रूट्स पे जा चुका है ऑलरेडी. तो ओके, given the chance, maybe I could rethink on the scoreboard. So Thank you so much.
Hereby we come to an end the second presentation of the fifth genre, environment. I hope you all enjoyed it.
Thank you everyone for watching this episode and making it a successful one.